Hello all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator, the wrench that appears over here, and the service due indicator flashing on the dashboard, how you can get rid of that manually. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, with this car, this is Ford Fiesta 2008, and further on, when we turned the ignition on, there was a wrench over here and a text over here saying that the surface was due to change. And I'm going to tell you how I got rid of that. First of all, turn the ignition off, then you have to press the accelerator and the brake pedal at the same time. Keep pressing that by turning the ignition on and wait for about 15 or 20 seconds. Once you've done that, you'll see the wrench over here disappear and the text on the right side on the dashboard will also disappear. It takes about 15 or 20 seconds. Once you've done that, turn the ignition off, let go the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal, turn back on the ignition, start the car to check it, and once you've checked that, the indicator over here and the text at the dashboard must have disappeared. So once again, ignition off, brake pedal and the accelerator pedal depressed, ignition on, wait about 15 seconds. Once the 15 seconds are over, ignition off, let go of the brake pedals, start the car to check the procedure, and once you've done that, the indicator must have disappeared. I hope this worked for you. It sure did work for me. And take a look at our other videos. We have more than 300 other videos on our channel. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area below, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Take care, bye bye.